Hi guys, here 4 plus 6 is 10 divided by 2 times 1 plus 2 in bracket whole square. Here 10 divided by 2 is 5 times 1 plus 2 in bracket whole square. Here 5 times 1 plus 2 is 3 square. Here 5 times 3 square is 9. Here 5 times 9 is 45 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 45 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is the bracket higher priority. This is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in the correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before any other operation. Here 4 plus 6 divided by 2 times the bracket is 1 plus 2 is 3 square. Here the next priority is the exponent. We have exponent here is 3 to the power of 2. We have to do this 3 to the power of 2 before this operations. So 4 plus 6 divided by 2 times 3 to the power of 2 is 9. Here we have addition, division and multiplication. The next priority is multiplication and division. So we have to do this division and multiplication before this addition. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is 6 divided by 2. We have to do this 6 divided by 2 before this operations. Here 4 plus 6 divided by 2 is 3 times 9. Here we have addition and multiplication. Multiplication is higher priority than this addition. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition. Here 4 plus 3 times 9 is 27. Here 4 plus 27 is 31 is the correct answer.